At this point here, you should have something that looks vaguely like this. Hopefully you've managed to get most of this information in, and the last thing maybe a lot of you have done is put this curve here in. If you haven't done that yet, it was 2.5 in, as you can see on here, 1, 2.5, and then halfway in from the middle point, and 2.5 from the other end, and that leads us these points in. Now these lines continue down to the bottom, and we now need to draw the same curve as we have here, but down here. Now this involves us thinking about what this looks like underneath. So underneath our pencil sharpener, you can imagine that there is a square or rectangle here, a flat surface that we can draw on, coming off of these lines here, made up of these ones. So we're going to want to go to the midpoint, and we're going to go half a square in, and then draw the same curve as we drew at the top but at the bottom, with this being the start, the end, and the point that we have to go through. There we go. At this point here, you might want to get an eraser, and you might want to try and take out some of the construction lines that we used that we no longer need. Take off some of these lines if possible, but if we've drawn them nice and light, later on when we go over this all, they're not going to matter quite so much. So hopefully you've got something that looks like this, and hopefully the idea of drawing it on squared paper first has helped us to draw this nice and accurately. So hopefully this is looking something like my pencil sharpener here. So at this point, with this not quite complete, I would like you to once again use Cam Scanner or your home scanner and scan this in and keep that as a record of your progress. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.